Hello students, today I am going to explain bandwidth of signals. This one already I have sent the photo of this thing. So today just I'll explain. Okay. First of all, this question is what is suppose it will come define bandwidth of the signal. Then what will write? You will write from here. Then in communication system, the message signal can be voice, music, picture or computer data. Each of these signals are different for frequencies, different ranges of frequencies. This is called bandwidth of the signal. This means what? This is the only definition. This means what? All the signals we are getting here, when we are sending from the transmitter, we are sending the signals may be different type, music, picture or computer. So when we will get these signals, it may be different types, but their ranges of frequencies are also different. So then this one we can call bandwidth of the signal. Okay, now different types will be the different signals will be there. Okay, what is first one? Bandwidth of speech signals. Second is bandwidth of music signal. Third one will be the video signal, then digital signal. Okay, fourth one. Then what is speech signal? Speech signal, what is the frequencies? Frequencies are ranges from 300 hertz to 3100 kilohertz. In between these ranges, it will be bandwidth of speech signals. After that, music signals. What is the range of this frequency? 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Hertz to 20 kilohertz. In between, what is the frequencies we will get? This will be the music signals. So all frequencies will be different for different bandwidth of the signal. Now third one will be video signal. What is the frequency? Frequency will be up to 6 megahertz. We can get the bandwidth of video signal. Means video means audio, video, both will be there. Signal. Another one, digital signal. Digital signal we are getting from rectangular waves. Okay, so from this way we can identify what type of signals we will get from the frequency. Okay, now this is okay, finish. Then what is this next one? Propagation of electromagnetic waves through atmosphere. Okay, now here what will be there? There are different types of wave propagation will be there. The radio wave propagation can be classified as how many types? The radio wave propagation will be how many types of radio wave propagation? How many types of radio wave propagation will be there? There are 4 types. What are first one? Ground wave propagation. Second one, ground reflected wave propagation. Third one will be sky wave propagation. And fourth one will be space wave or direct one. Direct wave also you can say, direct one also, or line of sight wave propagation. Okay, direct wave also this one. Space wave we can say direct wave also, and line of wave sight propagation. Okay, then first one I'll just explain today, and second, ground reflected wave propagation. Others I'll give you explain later on. What is this? Let me draw you one picture from here, then you can understand this one. Ground wave propagation. Ground wave propagation. What is this ground wave propagation? What is the diagram here? First one, suppose this is a transmitter. Okay, so from the transmitter, suppose this is a transmitter, I am drawing here transmitter. Okay, so this is what transmitter I am drawing. Suppose this one is a transmitter. Okay, from the transmitter, suppose one any wave it will come direct through this ground. This is the surface, suppose, so it will come to the direct. Okay, not going here in very low frequency. Suppose it will touch to this one on the surface of the ground. Okay, on the surface of the ground, then this will be your what? Ground wave propagation. Then this will be your ground wave propagation. Okay, so this is your, then ground wave will be very low frequency. In very low frequency we will get ground wave propagation. This is called surface wave also you can say. Okay, But suppose if this wave will not go to the ground direct, okay, then what will happen? Suppose it will hit by any mountain. Suppose it will hit by any mountain, okay. Suppose it is hit by any mountain and it on the ground, and it will reflect back. Then this is called, and it go to the receiver, then it will call reflecting ground reflected wave. Ground reflected wave. Okay, if this will not go to the direct suppose surface, it will get hit by the mountain or any hard objects, and it will reflect back and it will go to the receiving area. It will, then from there we can get ground reflected wave. This is receiving area. Receiving area, this is transmitting, means from there we can, it transmits the signal, and receiving will be the, it will receive the signal. So ground wave propagation, this is ground reflected wave propagation. Okay, these two I will just explain. Another one is the sky wave and space wave, also I will explain in the next class. Okay, this video I have I explained here, but these pictures I have already sent here, so I think you will get already these pictures, so you can study from anywhere. This is the picture I'm just explaining. This is the pictures, the ground wave, ground reflected wave. Others wave, two waves are there, I'll explain in the next class. Okay, please try to see, all of you here we have joined in this group, please try to open these videos and WhatsApp. Everyone, you are not looking this thing, but you have to go through this thing and you have to study. Okay, up to this much today. Next class I am going to explain another thing. Okay, bye.